To solve the problem of finding chocolate milk, now chocolate milk, a gallon is about $5 something, 5.30 if you live in Utah. I don't know about the other states. So what I did, I found the milk is at 2%. That gallon is about $3.50, and just regular milk. And I got the chocolate, creamy chocolate that's used for something else. I don't know what they use it for. I think for making cake or something. That serves about 13 servings. And I also got the powder that serves about 12 servings. And I got the licorice, and I made my own flavor. I made my own, I put the water, I boiled the water, put the licorice, or the chocolate, creamy chocolate, or the powder. After it boils, I put the milk on it. So now I got my chocolate milk, my licorice milk, and whatever other flavor I wanted without having to pay too much money. The creamy one, this one under $2. This one under $2. I think this one is $1.50, and this one is about $1.70. So I was able to save money on the milk, but the other big problem is that you cannot find chocolate milk easy. You can go to Walmart, the entire store doesn't have even a single bottle of chocolate milk. Go to other stores, you have the same problem. So chocolate milk is expensive and it's very hard to find. If you make it at home, you save money. You can even make the licorice milk. Nobody ever made it, but I made it at home. What other flavor you want? I'm going to try more to see which one is more tasty for me. The major issue with milk is that I cannot live without it. If I have whole milk, I can have acute diarrhea in few minutes. If I cut down the fat, 1%, I might not have diarrhea for another 2 or 3 hours. But it might make me just have a regular day, depend on if I have empty stomach or not. But I use milk just as a laxative. Well, not only as a laxative, as a source of calcium. I can spend all day long just with milk and the bread, and I might eat the meat and the vegetables once a day to get the protein and to get the muscle mass and the bone. But for me, milk is a survival thing. I got used to it, I believed in it, not all my life, but at a certain period of my life when I realized that you cannot really solve the problem with junk food and processed food unless you get some kind of loosen the cycle of food in your body. You cannot have a lot of food in your body for more than 12 hours. If you keep it more, you are going to gain weight and you're going to get sick. So that solved me the problem was finding the chocolate, the milk, the low fat, the calcium, and the protein. Think how much protein does this have? It does have protein. No, it has zero protein, but it has zero cholesterol. It has saturated fat, a lot of saturated fat. If you take it in 13 servings. This one has also, it has potassium, which is a good thing. It has some protein in it. It also has saturated fat. Yeah, whatever. And my favorite licorice.